this program will make you committed.
We have the power to change the world.
The support of the Milan family.
I really feel capable now.
Hi, I'm Sarah Warner. I really feel lucky that I've gotten to be a part of this program. I've learned so much, how to use oil paint to create truly masterpieces, how to actually approach the process and not waste a lot of time, how to actually plan a painting. I didn't even know how to do that. And how to treat it like a business so I can actually be successful with it. I thought it was like art magic, you know, or like only wizards get to sell their artwork and make a living doing it. But turns out it's really a lot of work ethic and a lot of the things you learn through the Institute. I'm very grateful for my experience.
My name is Lori Call. From a young child, I had always dreamed of being an artist. This class has been wonderful. It's exactly what I needed because I really want my art to be a career. There's so many things that you learn in this course, not just the basics. I had done some of the basics, but I learned even more and I was surprised at how much I didn't know. And also using the different mediums really gave me a freedom to create that I hadn't had before. I didn't know the possibilities.
My name's Chase. I'm a student at the Milan Art Institute Mastery Program. I'm 23. Before I was a student, I was an amateur kickboxer. And I was like, I know that sounds kind of crazy going from fighting to painting. It's definitely seems like a polar opposite for sure, but it was definitely the right switch for me. And this program is definitely what consolidated and made me know for a fact that's what I want to do versus what I was doing before.
Our instructors were so inspiring as people and so encouraging as instructors. I personally had never drawn or painted before I came into the program, and now I'm in a gallery here in Scottsdale. I can't even believe it, and I'm so excited. In fact, if you'd like, here's a piece of my work, some of my work that's back here that I'm really proud of, and I've sold my work since I've joined the program, and I can't speak highly enough of the professors who have worked here, DIMITRA, Ellie, John, my colleagues who are here and part of the program. We're like a family, and we all have found our voice, our mission, and our purpose in this world using art.
Hi, my name is Michael. I'm one of the students at the Milan Art Institute. I'm 20 years old. So I think the one thing that this program has that no other program I've seen, this program was able to take me, someone who's never done art before in their life, and turn them into some kind of artist who knows how to paint, draw, and have my own style. So just that one thing I feel like just puts this program ahead of anything else out there.
Before the mastery program, I didn't feel confident in my ability. I actually went to school to become a teacher, and I got my degree in teaching because I had been told so many times that to be an artist and to make a lot of money, you have to make really original, really out there things. You have to have connections, that I couldn't do it on my own basically because I wasn't good enough and I didn't know enough. And I believed that lie. And then after starting the mastery program and learning what I've learned and taking especially the voice lesson where I learned that the things that I have overcome are my superpowers and that I have something unique to offer the world through my art, I really feel capable now. Before the program, I just saw this as a hobby. I thought I would be a teacher forever and I could do this on the side, and if I got to sell my art, then that was a great opportunity to go shopping every once in a while. And now I feel like I can actually do this. I can actually live my dream. I can actually put my art out there, and I have something to say that people can hear and learn from, and I can inspire people. And I just think that's the best gift that I've gotten and that I can give other people.
I feel like I'm able to do way more than I ever thought I was able to do as a result of their belief in me and their coaching and their training and their experience. It's just a wealth that you get, a wealth, worth every dollar, honestly.
Ellie and Dimitra, they both have different teaching styles and different art and different voices, and so it was really wonderful learning from both of them. And Ellie really pushed us. If anybody asked me about this course, I would highly encourage them taking this course because She really cares that you're successful. Ellie and DIMITRA both do. That is their purpose, is to help you have a professional art career. And before, I could not look people in the eye and tell them that I was a professional artist. And now I can.
Not only from skill level, voice, but also marketing, which you don't get in most educational realms. All those things were so huge for me.
They teach you classical drawing, classical painting techniques, and with those skills, I'm now able to put my ideas on a canvas and painting.
I feel like I've gotten the inside scoop on even the art world, how things work.
So it was a great experience for me to join the mastery program.
You don't want it to be a hobby anymore, you want to make it your actual career and your profession, then you have to take this program.
And if you want to be an artist, you can be an artist.
As a person, I have developed and grown so much. I've learned that I have a voice. I've learned to use it. I have confidence in myself outside of the art world. I feel like I can accomplish anything I set my mind to because I'm living out my dream, and that's because of the Milan Art Institute, and I am so grateful to this program for all of that, everything they've given me.